The most common advice for leaving your traditional job is completely backwards. We are constantly told that the only way to find freedom is to build a massive passive income empire or risk everything on a new startup. But recent employment data from 2026 reveals a very different reality. The professionals who successfully leave their full-time jobs are not building side businesses from scratch in their limited free time. Instead, they're using a deeply practical strategy called the fractional shift. They're taking the exact same skills they already use at the office and repackaging them. By selling their existing expertise in small blocks of time to multiple companies, they replace their income while working half the hours. This approach bypasses the exhausting grind of learning an entirely new industry while you are already drained from your commute. Today, we are going to break down exactly how this model works. We will explore how you can transition your current career into a fractional setup and buy back your time. Chapter 1: The Passive Income Illusion. For years, the internet has sold us the dream of passive income as the ultimate escape route. The narrative suggests that if you just wake up at 5 in the morning and work on a side project before your day job, you will eventually reach financial independence. The hidden truth is that this path almost always leads directly to severe burnout. When you try to build an entirely new asset class from scratch, you are fighting a steep learning curve with the absolute lowest quality energy you have left over. You spend your evenings completely exhausted while making very little actual progress. The data shows it takes an average of 3 to 5 years to replace a standard salary using conventional side projects. Most people simply run out of willpower long before they cross that finish line. But what if you did not have to learn a new skill at all? There is a structural shift happening in the business world right now that makes the traditional side hustle entirely unnecessary. Chapter 2: The Fractional Shift Explained. The business landscape has fundamentally changed over the last 2 years. Companies are facing tighter budgets, and they no longer want to pay for expensive full-time employees to sit in an office for 40 hours a week. Instead, they are actively seeking out fractional workers. A fractional worker is simply a professional who provides their standard expertise to an organization on a part-time retainer. You might do the exact same accounting, project management, or operations work you do right now. The only difference is that you provide those services for just 10 hours a week per company. Recent market research shows the demand for these roles has completely skyrocketed because it saves businesses money while giving them access to experienced professionals. You do not need to invent a groundbreaking product or build a massive audience to make this work. You only need to rethink how you deliver your current competence. The secret lies in understanding how to unbundle the value you already provide. Chapter 3: Unbundling Your Corporate Value. If you look closely at your typical workday, you will notice that you only spend a small fraction of your time doing the work that actually matters. The rest of the day is usually swallowed up by pointless meetings, internal politics, and managing email threads. Unbundling your value means stripping away all that corporate fluff and isolating the core tasks that actually drive results. Imagine an operations manager who spends 40 hours a week at a desk but only does about 10 hours of actual high-level supply chain planning. A growing company will gladly pay a premium just to get those 10 hours of pure expertise without paying for the water cooler chat or the health benefits. Your goal is to identify that specific slice of high-value work within your current role. Once you define exactly what that narrow service is, you can start offering it directly to other businesses. The mathematics behind this transition might actually surprise you. Chapter 4: The Rule of 3 Clients. The most intimidating part of leaving a steady paycheck is the fear of needing hundreds of customers to survive. This is where the fractional model completely changes the game. You do not need to build a massive client base or become a relentless salesman. You realistically only need 3 clients. If you package your core corporate skill and offer it for just 10 hours a week, 3 clients will fill up a 30-hour work week. Because you are charging a premium for your specialized focus, those 3 clients will often match or exceed your previous full-time salary. You instantly gain back 10 hours of your life every single week while maintaining your financial security. Losing one client is no longer a crisis because you still have two others supporting your foundation. This creates a deeply comforting sense of stability that traditional employment can never genuinely offer. However, there is one major psychological barrier that stops most smart professionals from ever attempting this. Chapter 5: The Permission Trap. Whenever I explain this concept to intelligent friends, their first reaction is always the same. They assume that fractional work is reserved exclusively for high-level executives or people with decades of prestigious experience. This is what I call the permission trap. We are conditioned to believe that we need a special title or an external authority to validate our skills in the open market. The current market data proves this is completely false. Medium-sized businesses are desperate for mid-level professionals who can simply come in and organize their systems without demanding a massive salary. You do not need to be a chief financial officer to be valuable. A reliable bookkeeper or a competent logistics coordinator working 10 hours a week is an absolute lifesaver for a chaotic small business. You already have the exact skills required to execute this shift. You just need to stop waiting for someone else to give you permission to sell them. The transition process is actually very straightforward. Chapter 6: The 90-Day Transition Plan. The most beautiful aspect of the fractional shift is that it requires absolutely zero financial risk to get started. You should not quit your job tomorrow. Instead, you should use your current salary as a safety net while you secure your very first fractional client. Spend the next 90 days quietly reaching out to small businesses or expanding your professional network. Your pitch is incredibly simple. You just explain that you handle specific operational tasks and you have 10 hours of capacity to help them streamline their business. It might take a few weeks of consistent conversations to find the right fit. Once you land that single client, everything changes mentally. You will suddenly experience what it's like to be paid directly for your expertise rather than your physical presence. That first small retainer proves the model works and gives you the confidence to eventually drop your traditional employment entirely. This gentle transition protects your peace of mind. Chapter 7: The True Meaning of Freedom. Escaping the traditional work week was never really about sitting on a tropical beach and doing absolutely nothing. It's fundamentally about reclaiming your own ownership of your energy and deciding exactly how you want to spend your days. The fractional model is powerful because it bridges the gap between the safety of a corporate job and the boundless freedom of independent work. You get to keep doing the professional tasks you are genuinely good at, but you remove the toxic environment and the rigid schedules. You can structure your week so that you only work Tuesday through Thursday, leaving your long weekends entirely open for your family or personal curiosities. By recognizing the true value of your existing skills and offering them on your own terms, you step out of the reactive cycle of modern employment. You finally get to build a sustainable and calm professional life that actually serves you.